Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We got a falling wedge pattern, something like that in my opinion. We had resistance right here, resistance right here. I've been watching this downtrend, something like this, and I've been talking about until we break this downtrend going to the upside, I'm going to assume that it's going to give us resistance, and I've been watching the Fibonacci retracement levels. You can see here, we got a bounce on the 38% level right here, got a wick down right there, and a wick down right there, got support, bounced up to this resistance up here, and then we came down and hit the 50% level a few times actually. So we got a bounce on this 50% level, held support, and it looks like we're getting some momentum to the upside, and it looks like we're breaking through our downtrend right now. That's what I'm thinking anyways. We're gonna have to wait and see if we can keep this momentum going and follow through and close some of these candles going green. And so what I'm targeting now is this previous resistance right here, which is sitting at around 48,289, somewhere around there. And then if we can break this level, if we can break through that, the next level I'm looking at is this previous resistance at around 52,770, something like that. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, here's what I'm looking at. Like I've been talking about, we have resistance right here and resistance right here. Until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'm assuming that it's going to give us resistance and we're going to keep heading down. But it looks like we're testing it right now. Let's see if we can break through it. We're on the daily time frame, and we broke through the 9 moving average right here. We broke through it yesterday, and now it looks like we're getting a green candle pushing to the upside. Let's see if this 9 moving average can hold support now, and it can start helping us push us to the upside rather than hold us down pretty much. So yeah, that's a pretty good indicator right there in my opinion. I think if we break this downtrend right here, the next place I'll target is this area right here, and after that, this area right here, same with Bitcoin. So this area is sitting at around 2.2 trillion, and this area over here is around 2.37 trillion. Let's see if we could break out of this little resistance zone right here and hit this one up here. I think the main thing we want to be careful is we want to make sure we get some daily candles getting closed above this trend line right here. I think if we can start closing daily candles above the trend line and we start heading up, that's going to be a very bullish signal, and hopefully we can break this downtrend that we've been in the last few weeks pretty much. Right now we're sitting at around 1.99 trillion. Let's see if we could break out of 205 pretty much. That's what I'll be watching right here. If we could break out of this zone right here, I think we're going to this zone over here. Okay, so we're back on the Bitcoin chart. These chart techniques have been working out really well. We had our uptrend right here. It broke that going to the downside, and we got a retracement. We set up the Fibonacci retracement levels from the bottom to the top of that trend, and we got the 38% level and the 50% level. That's what I was watching. And we got bounces on both of those levels pretty much, which was pretty awesome. Right now I'm looking at this downtrend right here. It looks like we're breaking it right now. Let's see if this downtrend means anything, and like I said, hopefully we're coming up to this next zone over here. What I'm really thinking though is, like I was saying, we want to watch these candles right here. We want to make sure that we're closing some more daily candles. Hopefully it goes up faster, but we might want to be watching these next couple candles to make sure we're closing on them. Then, like I said, maybe we could be targeting this area up here, or maybe even this area up here. So yeah, I definitely think you guys should subscribe so you guys can keep up with these technical analysis videos. Alright, if you guys liked this video though, make sure to hit that subscribe button and go check out the links in the bio. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.